What's up guys, Raul here, your real estate buyer, your real estate investor. So I want to talk to you a little bit about some repairs, how to calculate repairs. One of the guys in the office, he was saying that a lot of our buyers are asking like, hey, how do I get it? How should I get it? And I think that's a pretty common question. And I like to say this a lot, but my short answer is there's a very short formula that we use. And my long answer is it's a science, all right? So here's our short formula that we use. $5 a square foot for minimal repairs, minimal to zero repairs. So if someone tells you, oh, the property needs no repairs, or it's in really good shape, $5 a square foot, 1,000 square feet, $5,000. $10 a square foot for medium repairs. So, oh, it's outdated, or I gotta redo the kitchen, I gotta redo the bathroom or whatever. $10 a square foot, 1,000 square foot house, $10,000. And anywhere from $15 to $20 a square foot on maximum repairs. So if the house needs a roof, it needs floors, it needs everything. When they tell you the house needs everything, the house is a mess, then you use like 15 to 20 depending on how messy it really is. That works really well, like quickly if you're doing like a quick analysis. I know it's not to the T, but plus or minus 5 or 10%, man, give me a chance here. So another way to like really in depth do it is you just gotta get somebody out there, or if you know about it, then you gotta go out there. But there's no other really concrete way to know exactly what a house is gonna cost. It's good to just do an estimate, be a little conservative. If in your 5, 10, 15 you're estimating $10,000, maybe put 12 or 14 or 15 to be conservative. And that's the best way. And just buy some more houses, man. Buy some more houses. All right, guys. Thank you. I hope you guys liked the video. And we'll be in touch. Subscribe or click the link somewhere. Thank you, guys.